Hey everyone, I'm back with a new video. I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul today. I went in today and I found some really nice things that I haven't seen there before, so I'm just going to show you what I bought. The first thing I got was this Recollections gold glitter paper roll. I don't think it's sticky on the back, but either way I can still use this for scrapbooking, and it's 14 inches by 10 feet, so it is quite a lot of paper and I'm super excited about it. The next thing that also I haven't seen there before are these fill in the story cardstock paper pads. I think that the Creative Chaos collection is new from the last time I got stuff from the Michaels stuff from there. So this one's really cute. It just has a bunch of prompts that you can write on. And I just thought that this would be really good for scrapbooking. So it has like, today we went, vacationing. Give you guys a look at what it has in it. So I thought that was super cute. And then they also had this one, which is a journaling cardstock paper pad. Sorry, I had to take the little stickers off so I could open it. But yeah, these ones are just lined sheets. I thought this would also be cute just for scrapbooking when you want to write something down. The next thing from the Creative Chaos collection were these cute little mini pockets and envelopes. So the front are the pockets and the back, or sorry, the back is the pocket and the front is the envelope, I'm assuming. And these are great for scrapbooking as well, just to like throw like ticket stubs and that sort of stuff in, or even like tiny photos. You can throw little like Polaroids in there. So I grabbed 2 of those and they look like that. So the next thing I got are these Recollections mini cards and envelopes. I love these for just gifts where you don't want to write a huge thing on the card, or you just want to sign your name. These are perfect, and you get 10 cards and 10 envelopes per set. So that's what they look like. They're just orange with stripes. And the next thing I grabbed are these themed frames for photos. I thought these were super cute. And for scrapbooking specifically, I'm going to open one up. So they have a bunch of different sizes and you just put them over your photo. So they're super cute and they're travel themed. And you get all of these for $1.25. These ones are like little Polaroids. And I think this is like a standard 4x6. So those are super, super cute. I love that one. That one's adorable. And then I just grabbed some of the My Plan, My Way little stickers. These aren't new, but I don't think I've actually seen these ones before. These ones are just like date night and bills kind of situation. These ones as well. I don't think I've seen these. These look like the Happy Planner, or not Happy Planner. Me and My Big Ideas. I guess they make the Happy Planner, but you know what I mean, like those kind of style stickers. They always put flowers. And then this one I've seen before, but I never pick it up. But I figured now that we're back doing things and having plans to put in our planner, that I would grab this one. It's just super simple. I haven't used these before, so I don't know how the pen, like if the pen smudges on them, but I will do a planning video with these. And then the last thing I picked up were just 3 new washies. They had a lot of washi this time and they haven't had it for a while, so I picked up all the new ones that I wanted. So I got this one. It's just a puppy, little puppies and paws like that. I also got this one that has dogs on it. It just looks like that. It's super cute. I'm always scrapbooking pictures of my dog, so I figured those would be perfect. And then this one, of course, I couldn't leave. It's just super cute Hawaiian flowers. And yeah, these are also everything is $1.25, and that's a really good deal. thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's really quick haul from Dollar Tree. If you want to see more of these Dollar Tree videos, give this video a like, and I can always go back and find more new products. I didn't really go into too much depth today. I just popped into the craft aisle and grabbed whatever I saw. So just let me know, and please subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I would really appreciate it, because I have a bunch of new videos coming up soon that are going to be posted in the next month or so. And as always, follow my Instagram. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.